And here is Tuscaloosa. So we have indicated here a very strong tornado vortex signature coming right toward the Tuscaloosa area. And it's just updated there. Oh boy, we have a debris ball. There's one of these debris balls that we've been talking about. Extremely strong damage is being done in Tuscaloosa at this time by a very strong tornado with debris being indicated on radar. Extremely dangerous situation. Distance of about 1.5 miles. So we have a potentially very wide tornado and/or basically a whole rotating wall cloud on the ground.
Greg, the University of Alabama is on the east side of Tuscaloosa. It looks like it's going to go right over that area. Folks, you need to take cover immediately in this case. This is a very, very dangerous situation. The people have been aware that they've been following the weather because this is about as serious as it gets.
This thing looks like it might be over 1/2 mile wide, maybe up to 3/4 mile wide. It's coming across Joe Malisham Park, actually just past Joe Malisham Parkway. Goodness, look at that. That is huge.
This is a large tornado on the ground. Please take cover immediately. This is a very violent tornado.
Sure by now, God, you would have reached down and wiped our tears away, stepped in and saved the day. But once again, I say amen, and it's still raining. But as the thunder rolls, I barely hear you whisper through the rain, I'm with you. And as your mercy falls, I'll raise my hands and praise the God who gives and takes away. And I'll praise you in this storm, and I will lift my hands, for you are who you are, no matter where I am, and every tear cried, you hold in your hand. You never left my side, and though my heart is torn, I will praise you in the storm. I remember when I stumbled in the wind, you heard my cry, me up again, but my strength is almost gone. How can I carry on if I can't find you? But as the thunder rolls, I barely hear you whisper through the rain, I'm with you. And as your mercy falls, I'll raise my hands and praise the God who gives and takes away. And I'll praise you in this storm, and I will lift my hands, for you are who you are, no matter where I am, and every tear I've cried, you hold in your hand, you never left my side, and though my heart is torn, I will praise you in this storm. I lift my eyes into the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. I lift my eyes into the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth.
Fellow Alabama Baptists, we're on site here at the Alberta Baptist Church in Tuscaloosa, and you can see it has received substantial structural damage, and around the area it is very devastating. Looks, in terms of military terms, it looks like it's been carpet bombed. But we do have Krista and Joy, who are members here, and I'd like for them just to give their feelings about their church and what it means and the way forward. Ladies, I understand I talked to your pastor earlier, Larry Corder, and you're going to be meeting Sunday afternoon at Open Door Church in Northport, so that's good. Joy, you've been a member here a pretty good while?
40 years. I joined this church when I was 16.
Okay, you've been here 40 years, and what does this, as you see all this, what does this mean to you?
As they've said before, it's a building, but it's got a lot of memories. The church will stand together. The people of the church will stand together and rebuild or whatever we need to do. But it's a lot of memories, and it's just very sad. I mean, it's just scary, sad.
Well, we are saddened with you as Alabama Baptists. I want you to know that. And Krista, you haven't been a member 40 years, I can tell that. But how long have you been a member? And tell how you feel about the situation as well.
Well, I've been attending the church, since birth. They bought me the second week I was born. So 31 years. The building is not the church. We are the church. I'm glad everybody's okay. I'm sorry to see the sanctuary like this. I mean, I grew up here. I was baptized here, but it'll be back and we'll be better and we'll be okay. And like he said, we're going to meet Sunday and it'll be okay.
Well, Alabama Baptist, you've heard the testimony. We are the church, not the building, not the facility. But of course, we do know that facilities and buildings really help enhance worship, fellowship, and ministry. And so we're going to be working together and calling upon you to help us by giving through the cooperative program and the disaster relief, and looking forward to the day that Joy and Krista can be back in a worship center and other facilities. To God be the glory in that respect. Thank you for being a part of Great Commission Ministries, especially in the area of disaster relief ministries. God bless.